How to log into a new Netflix account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can log into a new Netflix account. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to log into a new Netflix account, you have to sign out of your current account and then sign in back again. So for that, just go ahead and then launch the Netflix application and then make sure to sign in to one of your profiles here. And then once you've done that, you have to tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon here, you'll find the option called account. Just tap on account. Now once you tap on the profile icon here, you'll find the option called sign out. All you have to do is just tap on the sign out button here. So when you tap on the sign out option, it'll ask you for a confirmation. Just tap on sign out. Now after you sign out, you can simply go ahead and then log into another Netflix account by entering your email address, password, and then logging in respectively. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then log into a new Netflix account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.